What's going on, my foodies? Let's make the best but simple to make chicken wings adobo. Onions, garlic, soy sauce and sweet soy sauce mixed, vinegar, crushed black pepper, smoked paprika, 2 whole bay leaves, that magic chicken powder seasoning. Mix well. Set aside for about an hour. Fry to get that seared taste. Cover for 10 minutes. Pour in the rest of the sauce. Cover for 5 more minutes. Mix well to even out the flavor. Ah, look at that. It's coming along. Let it boil for about 10 more minutes on medium heat. And you know what time it is. It's time to serve up and it's time to eat. Make sure you have food right in front of you so we can eat together. Let's go. Chicken adobo, specially just for you. Damn, that smells so good. That's sabaw. The plating don't have to be perfect, but the food has to be good. Okay, my foodies, what's going on? Ito, last time I made some adobo, okay? Marami nag-complain na bakit daw tuyo? Why did you make your adobo so dry? No sabaw, no gravy. The truth is, in Philippines, dalawang klase. There's 2 different types of adobo. One we call adobong tuyo, which is not too much gravy, but this one it has a little bit of sabaw. So this is what I made this time, so that way you can compare the 2. It's a little bit thick, not too runny sauce, but more sauce this time than last time. Shout out to all my new followers on Facebook. Thank you very much. Unang subo, first bite. Follow the steps and trust me, you're gonna thank me later. Adobo is so simple to make. You can still mess it up, but once you learn how to make adobo, you can even add fried potatoes. The cartilage. So I showed you guys how to make it. Napakadali lang. Siyempre, kung Pilipino ka, automatic ata na alam mo na adobo, di ba? Pero meron din mga Pilipino hindi marunong magluto. So, don't get it twisted. There are Filipinos out there that do not know how to cook. Well, my foodies, thank you very much for following. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for always watching. Until next video, stay full, stay blessed. Maraming salamat po. Peace.